viewers. Now we are talking about special tools to take a screenshot on Windows and make Mac PC. Actually, some things we need to take a screenshot on our Windows screen or Mac screen, but it's too difficult. How can I solve it? So now I am here to solve the solutions to take a screenshot of your PC. So here I am using a tools that's named Lightshot. So let's go now. Type or search in Google Lightshot, Lightshot, Lightshot. Here we can see the Lightshot official website address and click here. This is the Lightshot official website, and now we can download the apps or software that we have to use further. If you were Windows user, you can click here, or if you the Mac user, you can click here. So I am the Windows user, so I'm clicking here and save file. The software is already download completed, and open the software and install it. Already I have installed here on my PC, so I can't install again. Now after the installation complete, you have to take a screenshot of your web page or desktop, something, etc. So for that, you can go to your keyboard. You can see the here a button on your keyboard, function key series, its name print screen. After the key function 12 and before the key delete, ins and print screen key you can see on your keyboard. To take a screenshot, you have to press print screen. As example, now I want to capture this Lightshot text, so now I'm pressing the print key. Yes, it's a message pop-up show me select area, which area you have to screenshot. So here I selected my desired area that I want to capture the screen, and you can see that something tools here to the actions. As the actions you can write here, it's a pen tool. You can line here on your screen shoot, you can arrow. I have to use actually I want to use, and I'm using the tools for your consideration. So again I press print the screen. I need to this area, and I want to text here hi. Next I want to select, that's the select. If you want to the select line is more than or fattiness, then you have to change the color here. Then you can take an arrow, such as you can line, that's line. You can mark something etc. if you want. So you can save, you can copy in. After clicking here, you can paste anything anywhere. It's maybe social media, personal messaging sector. You can drag print from here. You can save it in your Google. You can share with social media, all social networks, etc. And also you can upload the printscreen.com actually the website. So I want to save this screenshot on my local PC as a desktop, as a location desktop. So I click here save. Where you want to save, you say the location. So I save it the desktop. If you want to your another's drive or folder, you can select it easily. So I want to save it desktop. So the location, at first you have to select the location, and the location I am here, choose the desktop. So file name, if you want to do rename etc., such as first screenshot is screenshot. If you want whatever you want, you write etc., blah 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 blah, but you can never change .png. .png, the file extension, you can't overwrite it. Okay, and if you want to save another format, jpg, whatever you like it. Okay, everything is complete. Now I click save. Already screenshot saved and show the message here, and now I am going to my desktop. Here I can see the first screenshot png. Okay, I want to open it, and I can see what I actually did. This is the screenshot, and you can use here etc., where and there. Okay, thanks guys. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe my channel. Thanks very much.